Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a Christmas page, two-page layout. This is my photos are Christmas morning, but yours could be any Christmas photos at all. Okay, so first of all, these are the photos I'm working with. Opening presents, and the background paper that I'm using is this, and it is I kept this Fancy Pants Office Suite Creative Agenda, and so that's my background, and I'm using this patterned holly paper, Echo Park, and it's A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock, two-sided. And I'm also using this poinsettia print from Craft Smart Safe Freeze. This pad is from Michaels. So please subscribe below. You'll get notices when I do a new video, so you'll know when they're coming. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is I usually lay out my photos. I'm trying to get this to look straight, but I guess I'm not too good at it. Okay, maybe if I move this there, that's a little better. All right, so I usually figure out what I'm doing with my photos, and so I'm going to place them. But in this case, I thought I'd run them all in a line and this above, like this. This is going to have to go here, and I want these two the same size right there. All right, so the first thing I did was make a big border for these photos, and this is right here. I use a large print, polka dot, and a medium print, I call this, for these pages. 3 different size prints, all in the same colors. Sorry, that one goes this way. So that's going there. And now this I'm using to make a big border on the right to hold the photos, these 2 photos. I'll put this like this. So these all line up, and this lines up here. There we go. Now, I decided, because of this long run, to do a whole line of silhouettes there. So what I did was I cut out some trees, and I did another one for over here, and I'm just going to push those down to the edge. And then I did some deer. I'm just going to run along. I thought because of the white background, these would show up nicely. And then I did another deer for this side. Oh, that's a moose, I think. It might be. And so I really like the look of that. Let's line all these up. But I also, I thought I'd put one here in white, because it wouldn't show up in black. Now, I found this to be a bit drab, so I cut like a 1/4 of an inch strip of glitter paper, green, and I'm going to put that right along the top. And I'm going to do it on this page as well, right along the top here. And then I'm putting another one down here. I'm not doing it right at the bottom because I think I'm going to push this up a bit if I can. I don't think I can. And this one, I'm going to put a title on this. That's why I'm... Now that fills it in. It seems to balance it for me. So I'm going to add Merry Christmas as a title on here. Like that. Now I think I'm also going to add some crystal gems as eyes on these deer. And maybe a black one on this one. And then I'm going to lift this deer. I'll put some foam lifters on him so that I can make have some texture on the page. Like that. That looks a lot better. You can't tell probably, but the other thing I'm going to do, oh, I want this to be on top, right here. I do want the green to show on this. Maybe I can squeeze this up a little bit. Okay, so, oh, I'm adding more title from here. This is A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. And so there's a page of stickers on here, and I really like this. It's in white, like my reindeer over here. I'm going to put this on here. Let's get this straight. I'm going to put this Holiday Cheer title. Now the images of the deer on this page are all from Animal Silhouettes in Cricut Design Space. And the trees are from Tree Silhouettes. It's another image in Design Space. Holiday Cheer. So that's my title on there. I'll have to straighten that. And I think this page is looking lovely now. I think we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe below, and you're welcome to join my Facebook groups. I'd love to hear from you there, and also see your pages. Thanks for watching.